Walk through any middle-class neighborhood in America today and you'll notice the same pattern. Driveways packed with $70,000 work trucks that have never seen a day of real work. They're spotless. They're gleaming. And they're the reason many of these families are just one missed paycheck away from total financial collapse. In the US, we've entered the era of the $1,000 monthly payment. It's the new status symbol, but in reality, it's a financial handcuff, quietly stealing 30 years of your freedom. Dealerships in the US have stopped selling cars, they sell monthly cash flow. When you walk onto a lot, the first question isn't, what's the price? It's, what do you want your payment to be? By stretching loans to 84 or even 96 months, they make a $70,000 debt feel like an $800 utility bill. But a utility bill goes away if you turn off the lights. This debt follows you into the next decade, long after that new car smell has been replaced by the smell of stale French fries and regret. Here is the BerkWay look at the most dangerous trick in the book: the rollover. Because Americans get bored of their cars every 3 years, but their loans last 7, they end up upside down. The dealer tells you, no problem, we'll just roll that extra $10,000 you owe into the new loan. Suddenly, you're paying 7% interest on money for a car you don't even own anymore. You aren't driving a truck, you're driving a snowball of debt that eventually gets too heavy to push. Let's look at the hidden math that the top 1% understands instinctively. That $1,000 monthly payment isn't just $1,000. If you're 30 years old and you redirect that same payment into your 401k or a Roth IRA instead, that single 7-year loan period can translate into a $1.2 million difference in your retirement nest egg. You're not choosing between two luxury vehicles. You're choosing between a luxury purchase now or total financial independence later. The American economy is structured to keep people asset poor but payment rich, so they remain dependent on a paycheck. So, how do you win in a system designed to keep you broke? You play by a different set of rules, the BerkWay 3-year rule. If you can't pay it off in 36 months, you can't afford it. If the payment eats up more than 10% of your take-home pay, you walk away. Instead, buy the boring 3-year-old car in cash and let everyone else absorb the depreciation. Because the real goal isn't to look like you have money. The goal is to actually have it. Real wealth in America is invisible. It's the paid-off house and the maxed-out investment account, not the shiny grill in the driveway. Stop being a customer for the bank and start being an investor in yourself. Subscribe to join the BerkWay. Let's master the math of the invisible rich together.